Hey, this is Colton with 3D Mats, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the Lightweight Car Awning from 3D Mats. We're going to show you how simple it is to get this thing set up. All right, first thing to note here is that your vehicle will need to be equipped with a crossbar roof rack. We highly recommend the Universal Car Roof Rack, also from 3D Mats. Simply lift the car awning case onto the side of your roof rack. Using the included brackets, insert the heads of the bolts into the round openings of the sliding brackets found on the bottom of the awning case. Next, attach the supplied outer bracket and knobs to the ends of the bolts and tighten them against the roof rack. Then unzip the case and remove the bag containing the rope, stakes, and hammer for the awning. Next, unroll the awning away from the vehicle until it is fully unfolded, revealing the two supplied telescoping tent poles. The tent poles extend by simply twisting the section you want to adjust. Turn clockwise to tighten and counterclockwise to loosen. Next, remove the rubber cap from each tip of the tent poles. Slide it through the two furthest most grommets from the car and then reattach the rubber caps. It helps to have two people for this next section, as one person can help hold the awning up while the other continues the installation. Taking one of the supplied ropes, you'll tie the free end to an available grommet in the awning. Next, take the looped end and run it straight out from the vehicle to the ground and secure it with a stake. Then simply slide the attached cinch up the rope towards the awning to tighten. This prevents you from having to attach the stake super far out from the vehicle. Simply repeat this process for the other available grommets using the supplied rope. You'll finish by attaching your final two lines of rope to the supplied tent poles and securing them in the same way to your final stakes. The lightweight awning is approximately 100 square feet, but in case you need more space, we recommend the lightweight butterfly awning from 3D Mats, which gives you some extra space. Now, the butterfly awning attaches the same way the standard awning does via the two zippers at the top of the lining. The only main difference with the butterfly awning is that you'll clip together the larger supplied black tent pole, to which you'll also secure a line of rope to a stake in the ground, which gives you a final setup looking like this. If you want to learn more about this fantastic product, you can check the description below. Thank you so much for watching.